Avenger Spin Master Monster Jam Series 16. The trucks in Series 15 include El Toro Loco in Legacy Trucks, Hurricane Force is in Element Trucks, then we got Maximum Destruction in Retro Rebels, Son of a Digger in Boneyard Trucks, Grave Digger the Legend in Retro Rebels, Northern Nightmare in Universe Trucks, and Thunder 4x4 in Forces of Nature, and the chase piece, which is the ride truck, is Earthshaker. So Avenger is in the World Finals, so let's take a look at the poster for Series 15. We get the Avenger on the poster at the World Finals 20. Let's go ahead then and unbox Avenger. So here is a nice red wristband that came with Avenger. It just has monsterjam.com. And also just the Monster Jam symbol. Let's bring in Avenger now. Look at this beauty. I like the BKT printing of the letters on the wheel. Those blue beadlock rim tires. The gray chassis. We get a red, white, and blue kind of design with Avenger for the World Finals 20. On the back side panel of the truck, we get the steps, towing, and transport sponsorship on Avenger. There's Monster Jam logo, two other sponsorships. The last one looks like Lucas Oil Products. Come into the front. Here's what the front looks like. Very cool. Look at that. Then to the opposite side of Avenger. I usually don't pick up the World Finals Avengers. I wasn't really too much interested in them. The reason why I picked this one up was because I was at the Monster Jam World Finals 20, and it was my first time being at the World Finals, so I like the graphics of Avenger, of what he did for this truck for that show. Then here's the back of the truck real quickly. Another sponsorship right there, and then the big steps, towing, and heavy transport. And there you can see somewhat like a flag and some, the stars in the blue of an American flag. It kind of reminds me of Marvel's Avengers, of a red, white, and blue design too. But one of the things I wanted to point out was back here on the truck. This is open and you can see the motor and stuff, but it would have been nice if Spin Master would have had tailgate, could have came up a little bit longer and then had a little bit of a window back here where my thumb's at. Kind of nice to have this enclosed a little bit more instead of open. So that's just one negative I would put on this truck. To be more realistic. Thank you for tuning in.